Hi everybody, this is Joe with Debt Free Cars. I have a problem with my 2006 Toyota Sienna navigation unit, as you can see here. What happened was the system was not turning on at all. You plug it in and it would make a seeking noise with the DVD player, but nothing else. So what I did was I went ahead and took this apart, and I've already assembled this back together and tested it, and it seems to be working right now. It seems to be working, so I just want to show you what was actually the problem. I actually ended up replacing two boards. So when you get inside, there's this main circuit board. This is the main circuit board, and I'll have links on where to find this board. I actually found it on AliExpress.com. So here's the board and here's the back side. So I originally thought it was actually this board that was burnt out, because the power plug, which is this guy right here, this white plug right here, had the power. So I thought it was this power board, but it turned out it was not. This is the tuner. And it turns out it was not. It turns out it's actually the board on the bottom. If you turn over here on the bottom here, there's a little plug here, and it actually turns out it was this board that actually, you can see the plug right there. It plugs into this plug right there, and that was actually the board that was failing. It actually has the fan on here. It's a Denso board. Denso item, and this board actually carries the of all things, the GPS connector for the navigation unit. So I don't know how this board actually is controlling the power to the system, but this is the board that is broken. So anyways, disassembling this unit is fairly simple. A couple of screws on the side. There's a 6-disc CD changer here and a GPS DVD player. Those devices get taken off, and you're left with the several layers of circuit board below. And then you just put it back together and plug it in. So this is the back of the connectors here. And I'll also show you the part number here. Toyota 86120-08160. And then here is the face of the navigation device, and it is a E7007. And once again, I'll have the links on where you can find these, this control board, this power board on it. Okay, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe.